And we're back. So let's go to my test station, which is a car, or my minivan. So we got an old Radio Shack magnetic antenna here, and we're plugged in. And we are on. No, we're not. I just turned it off. Alright, so on. There's that. Turn up the dimmer. There we go. Display, tone, medium, high. RF gain, squelch is all the way off. Volume. We're on CB. And RF gain. It's all the way up. RF power all the way up. Well, we had some stuff coming in. Audio. Okay, that works. Modulation. What's our SWR like? Not really a calibrate button. Stand still, would you? There you go. 1-to-1. Not horrible. I don't know. Talk back. Hello, is this me? Oh. I think we got some actual tech stuff to do here. I checked all the loose ends and things of that nature and didn't really see too much. Transmit. Hello. What's RB? Hello, RB. I should put a little speaker on this to see if the PA works. Be right back. Okay, we're back. It's making noise. Here's the PA. Hello. All right, and lo and behold, when I turn off this PA here, all right. I'm getting audio. I got a bad plug. Come back here, pull this out. Now I got audio. Try my speaker over. A bad plug. Alright. Yeah, there's something going on there. There's something going on with that. Hi. That's it. There's something funky with that plug. Hey, Daryl, why don't you try that?